Wise money transfer tutorial, how to use Wise to send and receive money. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video we are going to take a look at Wise app to send transfers from one currency to another, from one country to another. Here we are on wise.com. Of course, we can easily scroll down till the very end to find like apps from App Store and Google Pay, and sometimes it could be really helpful to interact with accounts from the app on our phone, on our mobile app. But of course, to take a look, to use to see main features, it will be much easier to interact with website version. So here we are. As you can see, this is our main page, and we can easily start from the main things. So we can choose a currency and also recipient currency, to find the exchange rates, to see fees, and also we can compare it with other services, for example Remitly, Xoom, and also some other platforms. So it is pretty cool that we can interact with the calculator inside. So what do we need to do even if we don't have an account? We can easily choose currencies we'd like to send from. For example, I'm going to send from US dollars to, for example, let's say that we want to send to Indian rupees. And here we can easily find that if you're going to send like $1,000, we're going to take 82,500 Indian rupees. And what is really interesting is that we can find information about fees, so we don't have to try to find it somewhere, try to interact with some stuff. Basically, we can see that for sending $1,000, we'll have to pay 8.08 US dollars, and it's pretty cool. So also we can see the exchange rate. As you can see, nothing hard. So we can compare this stuff with other devices which provides the opportunity to send money, and after that, in order to do it, we can just simply click on get started. But other option is that we can compare price, for example, and we can easily see that we have comparison with Exia, Western Union, Remitly, and here we can see that if we're going to get 82,500, we're going to get for example for Exia we're going to get a little bit more, also for Western Union and for Remitly. But Wise takes fourth place, which is pretty cool, and other platforms like MoneyGram, Xoom, WorldRemit, OFX, they provide us the opportunity to send, but we will receive a little bit less at the end. So it's a balanced thing to send with Wise. And if you want to compare it, for example, with other platforms, it's really also really cool that we can see this comparison right up here. So after that, it depends on you if it's suitable for you to use these service like X. It will be really I think better to use this thing here. But if you only have the option to use Wise, you can then click on get started, and after that all you need to do is just create an account. So nothing hard. We can even continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. So it's only the thing to identify you. So yeah. Also, what is interesting is that we can send with business stuff. So we can also create an account for our business things, and after that we'll be able to interact with it like this. What is also interesting, that interface on Wise app is pretty easy to understand, is pretty easy to use. You can see our account information, our current number of money, our transactions, and also options to interact with our money. If we scroll down on our website, we can see that Wise also provides us the opportunity to interact with their cards. So we can order a new card where we can find information about But firstly, of course, we need to create an account. So what is pretty cool, so we can like take money and do some other things. So yeah, nothing hard. So if we'll scroll down till the very end, we can find really helpful things about Wise. So basically, if we have any questions or want to see some details, it will be really helpful for us to scroll here. So we'll be able to find a currency converter, Swift or BIC codes, IBAN codes, and so on. Also, Wise provides us the opportunity to interact with their help center. So if we have like any questions, if we want to see some details, of course we can try to use YouTube to search for it, but also we can find a lot of different topics about sending money, managing accounts, holding money, Wise card, receiving money, and also about Wise business. So I think it's one more advantage. But as for me directly, it's pretty cool that we can find the information about sending money. So for example, we can find ways to pay, and here we can see that with the Wise we have a couple of ways of how can we pay. So we can pay with a bank transfer, we can pay by card, we can pay by Swift with Apple Pay, Google Pay. Also we have options to use like Trustly, SoFort, Ideal, and so on. If you want to find some additional information, for example, how to send like euros or US dollars with the Wise, you'll also be able to find this information right up here. And if you're going to see like the reviews on Trustpilot, we have the option to see that Wise has over like almost 200,000 reviews, and the average like mark is 4.2, which is really great, and almost 83% of all the reviews are 5-star and only 7 with 1-star reviews. So it means that Wise is really worth to use. We can send up to 170 plus countries in 15 plus currencies, and money, like it's really easy to transfer, really easy to send, and the time then our transfer will be delivered is pretty fast. So for example, we can send it for like 1 business day or 2 business days, which is pretty cool. So if you want to see like pricing plans, we can go to pricing in the right top, and here we can see options where we can find like send money transfer. So we can go here, and also if we're going to interact with these things, we can then see the like see fees. So yeah, variable fees and so on. As you can see, nothing hard. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.